What's up, guys? Today we're out grouse hunting. Stay tuned. So the first stop on our trip is an area where I've seen a lot of sage grouse. Hopefully we scrounge something up, but by the time the sun's going down, we'll be up in the aspen trees. This is our first hunt of the year, so I want to make sure that me and the dog are on the same page. We're using this field as our warm-up field. In a nice wide open area like this, I normally wouldn't run her with a bell. And yeah, sometimes you have to just test out gear in nice easy areas before you get into the thicker stuff. So we decided to switch locations. The blue grouse like to be on steep hillsides in the aspen trees, or they like to be in the blowdown areas. Go get a bird. Come on, go get a bird. Go. Oh, are you on one? Ready? Go! Good girl. Oh, I just missed. You hate me, don't you? So I missed. That sucks. But that's how hunting goes sometimes. Hopefully we get into some more birds here. Good girl, what are you doing? Good girl. So far just the one bird, sun's going down soon. I have one other spot I'm gonna check out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So we might call it a day. I think the dog's trying not to fall asleep and it just started raining. So yeah, thanks for watching.